Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel at the Icon Tech Solutions. My name is Ono Hamiriko, and if you are still new here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video if it helps you out, and hit that bell notification icon so you never miss an update from us. Ever been in a situation where you need to run a Facebook advert for a product or service that you are certain people are in need of right now, but then you realize that your Facebook page is not linked or connected to an ad account? Well, not to worry. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, of creating a Facebook ad account using the latest Facebook interface. So without further delay, let's dive right in. So for step 1, we'll begin by opening the Facebook website on your desktop or computer. So as you can see here, I'm already logged into my account. So once you are here, please, one thing you should do is to make sure that you are logged into the account you want to use for your ad account. So now you're here, navigate to the Facebook business suite by clicking on the 9 dots here at the top right corner of your screen, which is right here as I've shown you. So click on it. So once you click on it, scroll down a bit to where you can see Meta Business Suite right here under Professional. Once you find it, you click on it. So we allow it to open up.
A few moments later.
So now it's finally opened. So we're in our Meta Business Suite page. Another way you can navigate to this place in a simple way is just by clicking on that tab and then typing business.facebook.com. So once you type it, you click enter and then it opens this same page that has been opened here for you, as you can see here. So it's all the same. As you can see, I'm just navigating through. So that's another way that you can be able to get to this page. So once you're here, you then move on to the step 2, which is clicking on settings. So we allow it to load.
A few moments later.
So now we are here at the Meta Business Settings page. So right here at the left hand corner, you can see that you have so many business portfolios. Here you see mine. There are a lot of business portfolios with pages assigned under them. So this is the one which I want to create an ad account for. This particular one here, this DI Ready Solutions supplies rather. So here is the business portfolio under it. So I'm going to be selecting, let me go back again by clicking on settings. So I'm supposed to be doing that under the portfolio, business portfolio. So here it is. So once you're here, then click out. So make sure you choose the one that you want to use in your own case. So once you are here, if you click on pages, you see so many pages that are assigned under this particular page. So not to worry, should in case you only want to create an ad account for one, and maybe you are seeing all other pages that you have or that you manage under the business portfolio section or page, so you can easily remove these other pages that you don't want to use by just clicking on them. Like this one now, I'll just simply come here and click on remove business portfolio. So once I do that, I'll click on remove page. You see here is gone. So let me do the same for this too, so that I'll be left with only DI Ready Supplies here, which I'm going to be creating an ad account for. Alright, so one good thing is that once these pages are assigned to this business portfolio here, these are the pages that can be able to manage this business portfolio. Alright, so this one says can't remove page. A Facebook page that's connected to an Instagram account can't be removed from a business portfolio. Okay, if you have access to manage the page, go to page settings. Okay, all right, so this one takes another process to do, so I'll just leave it here, but you get the whole thing that I'm talking about. So this is the one that I want to create an ad account for. All right, so everything here will be created under this business portfolio. So this is it here. So we move on to click on the step 3, which is the ad account. So as you can see here, there is no ad account found in this place. Okay, so we are going to be creating an ad account for this particular business portfolio and for this page. So I'll simply come here where you have this plus blue button that they wrote add. So I'll click on it. So it says here, what do you want to do? Create a new ad account, claim an existing ad account, request to share an ad account. So here I will be creating a new ad account. So one good thing about creating ad account, or what ad account does, is that it helps you manage ads, or rather adverts, for your business, brands or organizations. So I will come here and click on create. So here it says, what are the details for the ad account? Manage ads for you. Okay, so here it's asking for the ad account name. So here you must be very particular. So what we are trying to do actually is to create a Nigerian ad account that allows you to pay for your adverts in Nigerian currency instead of going through the credit card and all that. So we are going to be using the pay you here to be making payments for all our adverts. So here I'm going to be adding the account name. So my account name will be DI. So that's what I want to use. I don't know what you want to use, so you go ahead and choose a name for your own. So I'm done here. So time zone, I will look for let me type Lagos. All right, so here you see GMT 01 plus 01 Africa/Lagos. So here is the best part. So currency, so this place does not really entail that you will be earning in dollars. No, rather what this actually saying is that it's asking you the currency that you are going to be using to make the payment. All right, so if you choose US dollars, that means you are prompting Facebook to give you, or to allow you make payments in dollars for your ads. So but in our own case, I'm in Nigeria and we're going to be looking for Nigeria, the Naira, so which is here. So right now I've selected it. So we'll move on to the next stage, which is clicking on next. So once we are here, it says, are you sure you want to continue? The ad account to be created and added to DI Ready Supplies business portfolio. Right, so here is how the tree goes. Under this DI Ready Supplies, you would see this particular ad account. All right, so it says ad account access. Once created, business admins with full control of this business portfolio will also be able to manage the ad account. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on I agree to Meta whatever. Just click on this check mark button here and click on create ad account. So now it has brought us to the most important page that we need to be in. So right here we'll click on add payment info. All right, so once this loads up, all right, so here you see business location and currency, add payment information. So right here you see everything is good. All right, so it says your location and currency cannot be changed once set. So you have to check well if you've chosen Nigeria as your country or region, and also if your currency is in Naira and if your time zone is in Africa, Lagos. All right, so once you've checked all this and everything seems to be okay, click on next. So now it's processing. Just yes, good. So now we are here on this particular page. All right, so here it's asking us add payment method. So usually the default payment method is usually debit or credit card, which you can see. But this one, why this one is not really okay for Nigerians is because most of the times it doesn't really accept your cards. All right, only some certain cards like UBA prepaid card or something like that it takes. But sometimes you try to add your normal ATM card or bank card, debit card, and it keeps on rejecting it. And this is what many people are facing, and the problem that they are going through. So this time around, make sure that you tick the button for this Naira payment with Mastercard/Visa, which is pay you here. All right, so please, before you click on next, make sure you click on this if you want to be making payments in Naira. All right, so we'll click on this and we say, okay, I have an add credit to claim. All right, so we'll leave this and then click on next.
A few moments later.
All right, so for this tax information, we skip this part. Okay, now it's going to load up. Okay, good. So it's asking us now to add an amount. All right, so actually we are not running an ad yet. All right, but usually it's always 4,500 naira on default. All right, the default amount that is usually here is 4,500. Here you can simply edit or remove, you know, this 4,500 and then place your amount. So you can say 5,000 or 1,000 here, depending on the amount that you want to use to run your ads. All right, or the amount you want to put into your Meta Ads Manager account. All right, so let's just say I put in let me say 15,000. all right, so we're not going to be running an advert right now, neither are we going to be making any payments right now. This is just for the sake of you seeing what this does. All right, so once you add this, you click on next.
A few moments later.
All right, it's loading up the pay you interface. Okay, now it has loaded up. So although it didn't load up a complete page, but anyways, we'll just take it the way it is. So it says please click continue to complete your Naira payment with PayU. Note that the payment page will open on a new window and it closes automatically at the completion of payment. Ensure no pop-up blocker is enabled. All right, so usually you will go through this particular process when you are trying to make a payment for your ads, but right now we are not going to make any payment, so I will just simply close this page here, also close this one here. So guys, now I guess we are done with the process of creating the ad account. So now it's time for us to check how the ad account looks on our billing page. All right, so we do that by coming to these three dots, clicking on it, and then click on view payment methods. All right, so once we do, we allow it to load up. All right, so give it some time. You can see here it's loading up. So guys, yep, it has finally loaded, and you can see here that I have prepaid funds. All right, so that is to show you that this ad account is able to make payments in Naira. Okay, so this ad account is able to make payments in Naira through the PayU payment gateway. All right, so add payment methods, there's no need for you to do this because we already have chosen PayU as our payment method, so there's no need for you to go here, except maybe you want to add your credit card or debit card, which I don't think is the best idea for you. All right, so this is it. So when you want to, whenever you can see here is in Naira as well, so and it's still 0.00 because you've not added any funds yet to it. So anytime you want to add funds to it, or maybe you want to add the money that you're going to use to run your advert, so you can just simply come here, this place, add funds, click on it. So once it's open, you can see here it's giving you the option to pay, to add the amount that you want. Just like I told you initially, you can edit this and put in any amount that you want to use, you know, for your ads. All right, so it says you enter an amount between 100 naira and 1.2 million 630 whatever that it says there. So you see that you can add anything. So add payment method here. So please, whenever you want to add funds, don't select this option. Please don't select this option. Be careful enough not to select the option. Always select this one here, Naira payment Mastercard/Visa, the PayU payment gateway. So once you are done with it, you now click next, and then it opens up the PayU payment gateway interface, and then you know to now ask you or send you an OTP, because the PayU platform is kind of like integrated with both Access Bank, Zenith Bank, in fact literally all the banks. All right, so you just have to just use your card and then put in your card details and all that, and once you are done, it now takes the amount, sends you an OTP, you authenticate it, and then it takes this exact amount or whatever amount that you've put in, you know, to be used So once you are done, the whole process there, it's very simple. Once you are done, to take you back to your page, or rather your billing payment page. So I'm not adding any funds now. So once you add any funds, you would see the amount here. It will be shown right here, meaning that you are now ready to start running your ads. So all you just have to is now to go create your ads, create your ads flyer and everything, your ad copy, and then place it. All right, so in my next video I will be showing you how to create a proper Facebook advert that will scale very well, that will get you sales with little or less budget. All right, so that's what I'm going to be showing you in my next video. So if you really want me to make that video, please, I would like you to comment down there in the comment section so that I will know that you're interested, so I can get to make the video for you. So that's it for now. So guys, now we've successfully created our Facebook ad account in the new 2024 Facebook interface. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials, and hit the bell notification icon to get updates whenever I post new content. Right, so guys, don't forget to comment so I will get to make the video for you. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.